Hey beauties, welcome back to OSARIEME DIY Home, your space for everything natural and skin loving. Today, I'll be sharing with you a powerful DIY face oil blend that works like magic. It helps to even out your skin tone, fade dark spots, and gives you a healthy and radiant glow. These are all natural skin loving oils that work together like magic. Rosehip oil. It's great for fading dark spots. It's also rich in vitamins like A and C. 2 tablespoons of rosehip oil. Sweet almond oil. It brightens skin naturally. It moisturizes and nourishes dry skin. 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. LICORICE root oil. It fights pigmentation. 1 tablespoon of LICORICE root oil. Vitamin E oil. It supports healing. Half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Then the last one we have turmeric essential oil. This is optional but powerful. It's anti-inflammatory and also help reduce hyperpigmentation. We'll be needing 2 to 3 drops of turmeric essential oil. Now simply add all the oils into a clean glass dropper bottle. Shake gently to combine. Let it mix together. And that's it. Your glow in a bottle is ready. Apply 2 to 3 drops to clean skin every night. Massage into the skin gently. You will start seeing results in just a few weeks. Brighter, clearer, and more even skin. Don't forget to do a patch test. If you want to use any new skin products or a DIY product, please do a patch test first before going into any new skincare product or a DIY. And always wear sunscreen, especially if you are using oil with turmeric or vitamin A. If you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural skin and home care. Thank you for watching OSARIEME DIY Home. Stay glow naturally. Bye.